Welcome back, nail queens. Today's video is going to be on how to use the Sparkle & Co. foil gel. This product came in their June sub bag. It's new to their shop. I don't know if it's available yet mainline, but I figure I would try it, test it out for you guys. That way you guys know how to use it when it comes time to you applying foils. These foils also came in the June bag. They're mermaid scale themed. So if you've never used foils before, what it is basically you're trying to transfer the design on the foil onto your nail. So that's why they're called transfer foils. So in here, I believe there's like 8, maybe 9 different designs. They come, or not designs, they're all the same design. They just come in different colors, ombre shades. You got the greens, the purples, the blues, the pinks. There's a whole lot here. So I'm just going to use the top one for my demonstration today. Plain and simple. I'm actually going to show you 2 different techniques. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply the foil gel onto the swatch stick. You don't have to use a super thick layer. Just make sure that the nail is coated evenly and that there's no bald spots or any areas that are streaky, because that will contribute to how well the foil applies onto the nail. And once that's done, all you have to do is pop it in your nail lamp for 30 seconds. I'm using a 48 watt lamp, so if yours is a higher or lower wattage, you may have to play with the timing in case it's not working out great for you at 30 seconds. It might be too tacky or too dry. So once that's done, I'm going to grab my foil and place it on the nail. Be very careful when you do this, because literally when that foil hits that nail, it's sticking on there. The design is on there. So make sure that you're doing this carefully when you place the foil on there, because there's no taking back. There's no going backsies. So I'm using my glove and my nail here just to rub the design on the nail. You can use your finger, or you can use a silicone tool or anything that you have that will gently rub the design onto the nail. I don't have to do a lot of rubbing here to get the design to transfer. So I'm just peeling up the transfer foil, and look at that. That is a perfect, clean transfer. That was so easy to do. I'm loving this. So if you guys like this, let me know in the comments below if you like this color shade. So moving on to the next design, I don't know if you guys have seen Miranda's Nails Creations little wavy transfer foil mani she did last fall. It's absolutely incredible. So I'm going to show you guys how you can use transfer foil and transfer foil gel to do creative designs. You do not have to apply the gel to the entire nail. So I'm just applying the transfer foil gel onto just like a wavy design onto the bottom half of my nail, kind of to mimic Miranda's mani that she did. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds like I did before, and then when that's done curing, I'm going to apply the transfer foil the same way that I did before, being careful of where I place my transfer foil and then rubbing it in with my glove. Just like that, you are done. Well, I missed a tiny little spot. So that's one thing you can do if you miss a spot, is place it right back where you had it and rub a little harder in the missing spot, and it'll transfer. So this turned out completely beautiful. I love it. So I think this is super cool. I love how easily these foils transfer using this gel. I think this is incredible. So if you found this video tutorial helpful, just be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that you like the content I'm creating. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.